Hi guys, I believe this is a great wallpaper to start with saying stay calm, right, and learn. So if you're run into frustrations and boot ups that are black, stay calm, learn, and the knowledge is there on the ArcoLinux YouTube channel or the ArcoLinux website. And just giving you the power to create any ArcoLinux B ISO. I made an example with LeftWM. I'm going to go down that path a little bit more. So mine is S, Sil, and then Nemesis. This is what I have, me personally, on my repo. So this can be your repo, right? Make your own package, make your own repo, add it to the ArcoLinux ecosystem, and you can replace, in this case I made a video about LeftWM, the configuration of LeftWM of ArcoLinux is thrown out and you put one back in that you create, your choices, your icons, your themes, etc. LeftWM, yes, okay, awesome, BSP, Mate, it's about all of these, right? Just replace what we have, what you want to have. That's what we explained to you in that video. Now at that point in time, I had the marvelous idea, maybe I should add a prefix. So I know it's not the ArcoLinux GitHub, but it's the Eric Dubois GitHub, right? So edu stands for Eric Dubois. And it's not a bad thing to make a video to transfer. So assume you have a distribution, it's out there, people are using it, and you want to change the package name. That's going to be a problem. If you change the package name and the user has already a package, well, I need to change it 5 times, so this video I have to do it 4 times over for the other guys. If we want to change and I just rename, that's it, put it on the repo, what will happen is the user has a package with this name and it will never get updated. Ever. That's one. When he goes updating with Paru or up all, it will say nowhere to be found. It's not on the AOR, it will say, because it doesn't exist anymore. So pacman says, where is this coming from? So now I'm going to teach you 2 things. How to change the package, backend stuff and the back office stuff, but also a package build. I want to replace Papyrus Dark Telakit with edu Papyrus Dark Telakit, so that users who have it already just update, and sometimes you see it in pacman, replace this with that, yes, no, right? That's what we're gonna do ourselves in the package build. But first of all the administration that we need to do to make a switch, the back end office. So this is not ArcoLinux stuff, this is Eric Dubois stuff. So I go to the data folder, which contains all my GitHubs. And in here, we'll find the Papyrus somewhere, Papyrus Dark Tela. So first off, the folder that I have is changed. Edu Papyrus, so all the edus stay together. Edu Papyrus Dark Tela. Then we go to close other tabs. Papyrus Dark Tela. Settings. Edu Eric Dubois, right? Rename. Fine. Then I go in here. Git config. It's changed. The name is now edu. Save. Now I can try and see if I can push this online. So nothing has changed, I know, but lots has changed. So, yeah. Let's see what that is. What did we do here? Here it is. So the name is mentioned here as well. Save and quit. Oh, it's already gone, is it? User share icons. Yep, it's okay. It's cool. It's already gone, which means don't delete things. Just put a hashtag in front of it. It's the same. Later, if you need it, you just put the hashtag back. So nothing changed, so name change, right? That's it. And the cache is gone from online status, delete mode. Okay, cool. That's it. Yeah, almost. So if we go to the package build, the name change, edu, in here, package build, the theme is now called edu. It's gonna be called edu, and it's not there, but go and have a look online. There is a line that says replaces, something you can type. So what is it going to replace? It's going to replace this guy without the edu, with the git. Don't look at the underscore. That's our thing to program, our thing to make a package build. This is the official package name, right? So Papyrus Dark Tela Git is the official name, which means replaces Papyrus Dark Tela Git. Perfect. So any user, we need to up the number. Let's not forget that. Save. Now we go over lines again. So the Eric Dubois link, that's the URL it will go to. Depends on Papyrus icon theme, replaces Papyrus Dark Tela Git. So if someone has installed the theme, this will be thrown out and this will be replaced, which is basically the same thing, right? And that's what you see when you see these yes no things. That's that. Save, quit. We build our package. In the meantime, I have a kind of little script that says go build, and I even do it in Shroot. So have a look if building is becoming more and more serious and important for you. How to Shroot build package or something. It's already explained already on ArcoLinux, but also on Arch Wiki. So have a look there. Nemesis repo. Do we have something here? We have here now a edu Papyrus Dark Tela. So this one exists. This one is bye-bye. That's a new one. And then we move up and we push this online. And you'll see people who have that package will get the yes no question, and one replaces the other. But we'll have to wait a little bit before GitHub, before we see it, right? An easy way to do it is sudo pacman, or without sudo, well, with sudo better, -s sil nemesis repo, and wait for it. You see? At this point in time, it still thinks Papyrus Dark is there, and no, it's not. So I'll do something else on another computer, and from time to time I'll just type again and see, okay, not there, not there. Pushing these things doesn't seem to help. Oops, that's building. So Control C. Pushing these things by trying to upload it again doesn't really compute. All right, we'll just have to wait a little bit longer till we get a reference to edu Papyrus Dark Tela. That's it for me. That's another approach how to change a package and to replace, if the package was already out there in the world and people were using it, how to replace it with another package. That's the replace line in your package build. All right, cheers. PS, right, I'll do all the others without recording it. It's exactly the same thing. It's a lot of work, but then everything is edu, and then we know it's coming from the Nemesis repo from Eric Dubois. All right, cheers.